if we had a new favorite personality, no, so actually more easy, no, a Fantadol president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Now, Mamanda, one more also Mason, Mamutu Maze, Badwam Ahosepe, no, Brono, Mamanda, when I say, not make a Juango energy drink, my catch or Desepe energy drink, Papa, the best in towns, I know a Juango, vitamins, Ninara, I am Muma into no pebi. Now, when energy now down no for boosting energy. Now, say, and the pay, sorry, no, one of my old titty, one of my come out. Now, a pebibia, able to na afa na wama very healthy and they feel healthy za na oye 3p garlic mixture pi wakfo na wakafa the medri was a bear with ma garlic nkotin 100% she from bomoze na nya bi face wafa na wonam ye oye we mpezi brodo na e da merete do na nya bi anoma bibiara akoye adede ye ya mo pepepe na Valentine's is Joy Prime after 200 day one kasa will be making sure that Valentine's Day by your fine papa and is there be nyina there I won on your partner will try picture not watch you baby can crash as simple no say audio crown and one record can be nice far o partner no na for send the number no or 055-157-5757 my son Messi number no to be 055-157-5757 na fa picture no na something na for send one wash your man wash no wasn't no the paza no Val's Day is or Dawodo ibizino sonko chinobia and no what's one spa day for 2 candlelight dinner mpono and all expense paid romantic getaway and unique gifts na trinkets from one sponsors into no bomazanara na Val's Day most photogenic couple no for ujim and I pay me guest me no wahadi no say urban contemporary gospel music wajinizin wo papa honze otapo wo hon papa mpono mushe for how long why nyuma over 10 years into no why has papa ojino mu pinti me nyoka se odahara enyum gospel good gospel music ye kan nyum papa yes honom tane pay me mpeda mese wo mbre kra nkoma mpeda me twetwe no do so panti no mokono do ntantam na ya twetwe nkomo kwesi
yes sir
akwaba
me that's it
ya tell ya tena sibio
yes sir
me care the last time it was easy ba jam ya he na do mo ya san ye hye ma ha cafe ba no a na odu Tuesdays be get na se na ye nyo ne ye ho na is na me nyim na new project bi
new song we release January 2nd this year. Your Love. Maybe maybe ube penyum bia no like Oko House Africa new song.
Your Love no. Odonyum.
Nyamedo.
Okay.
Nyamedo. And I thought on say Oko Odonyum na season here we no love ring na your personal love, selfish love.
And I break there on Valentine's Day, near time was at the Yadun Pado, I was in Cotin. I don't know, to friends, to family.
But Yaka, I'm on this side of that. That's I agree.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I can't medo. Odonya my said the anti say nipa do because nipa do has an expiry date that's all. And nipa betimi akwa do baby but nyame is constant. Obehwa obi a wa go through any situation bia o see obi aja ne ho na nyame nko aka nyame nko you know like it enyum no ehye nyame ni monyam wo odo wo mayen the boy yen do wo mayen o de hwe so o de boy yen o sa yare o boy ho ban.
Okay. Into one I show you now.
Yeah, me
okay. Before I was sorry, mama acham to and some of my sorry had na yako. But when was the last time you released it, you know? Before the menu.
Before Your Love, maybe I think 2021, 2022, my release a new more like people know me for. But all this while I've been busy. Okay. I work with an international NGO. I write songs for them internationally. Sometimes we write songs like educate young children, protect young children, like some of those type of music. Don't beat your woman, those type of things.
Okay.
Like good
societal songs.
Yes.
Or influence society.
Yes. Much of that time, no, I was working on some of those things. You know, like I've been busy. And yes, it's like because people don't know me for like maybe I may bought gospel at the time, like like I've been busy around the world, like writing songs. I mean, around COVID, I wrote songs for all doctors that came out and saved lives all over Africa. We had over 13 international artists singing it.
How
can I? White Army.
Okay.
Oh, YouTube.
My
white army, always there. Make this world a better place. Make this world a better place. My white army. White army, nurses, doctors.
Okay.
Always there. Make this world a better place. Make this world a better place.
It's not sure that unyum na zing na wana unyum.
Oh, me wo team ameni omo yejuma.
Okay.
And you be on me Felice meet I intend ma na me amaye. And you be it's like sometimes, but there are some songs me share the like the nature of the song. You see that this work requires, and I have a team of people that I work with. Yes.
Okay. So unyum for other gospel artists.
Yes.
There were hit songs to be maybe no ma.
Oh, Metronyum Diana Hamilton.
Abanyum.
Holy Spirit. On the album, so I've written songs.
The current album, yeah.
There be, I think, all starting now.
Okay.
Okay. She's been in the system. Otherwise, maybe I think 2018-19.
Okay.
That album will release here.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I wrote that song.
Come on, a crana day, BNB or on my pedal me busy. Now, so I had a cafe banwa. Into my pedal breakfast, no, so Ebekawano, Kakwana after now, Elakawano, no, not you take one new song, no, your love.
Yeah.
Cwesi Oteng, you take a crana. One of the biggest songs ever. Me assure that even up to now, one man worrying in. But sing of
course.
Those times the boom on one, but sister on my win pa. You should most man first one not when you jizun pa na. You remember this time, I better there. And I want what the impact nana.
Of course. Me music is very impactful. But I mean, like any new song, like sometimes me Shane Crawford, they ask me like, you've not that now I don't release it more about number besides say and you mean last one been with you know akobo I win. Mean last one been I say no about God they bless me. God they blessed me in 2012. I win in 2014. 2017, we recorded an album called Anthems. Anthems has songs like My Defense, I Am Next in Line for a Breakthrough, Great Are You Lord, full of man, Great Are You Lord, Every Knee Will Bow, Every Tongue Confess, 2017, I'm a promoter, even still, I'm still virtually kind of promoting.
No, but as people don't really know.
You see, there was a time where, like, when God blessed me by, it was a new thing.
Okay.
And that one was and at that time, social media was not even big.
Okay.
You understand? And then there was a lot of airplays, that's where, like, like people just love to play it.
Okay.
Of course, people have become familiar with Cwesi Oteng.
But promotion wise, invest this car into social media promotions, Anna.
Of course.
We
do that. We can do more. It may be better. Of course, music right now is a lot of money.
Exactly.
But you so.
In my I will start another. I mean, if for me, we feel those kind of music, that was style, I want to push for the my agenda. Yes, share projects over the years. Has this been successful?
It's been successful. Why not? Very successful. Very successful. I mean, on what grounds would that question like be whether to see whether it's successful?
Say, just see, I know. See, I know promotion. So, how to even get people know you.
Yeah.
Then you big songs before,
Yeah.
but oh, they coming yeah, beginning from 2000 and maybe 15, 16, 17. Rubanazing now. Why they shut down to me, bisa?
Times of production. Okay. Like from 2015, I recorded 2017. Aside the fact that there are so many artists also who do what I do, you know, like there are so many gospel artists, you know, who are blessing people and all of that. And so, I mean, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's usually like I'm sitting here. That's why I'm sitting here. We're here promoting. We're talking to people to be aware that oh, there we have a new song near there. So I mean, eventually things pick up. But I mean, obviously, for like last year, say I wasn't active like musically, and so all that play a role. But when you are releasing music, then your people are getting music to hear.
Okay.
Then you're moving on.
Okay. This is your plan and are there any lessons? If I can have full journey, be a draw from
lessons. Lessons and experiences are cool. Like I know how people think, and we also know how to move.
You know how people think?
Yes.
How do we think?
We like good music,
okay.
And so we'll keep bringing you great music. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Mata say, oh yeah, Cwesi Oteng, and I know to come more from Cafe Bano. Na minimum say GF contact wa. One from.
I won't contact him yet. I won't contact him yet.
Okay.
Trouble.
Maybe I'm being me case no. Na chim there. E pede ya anthem. Emma.
Namo University now. I call first year, second year, I think third year. I was struggling with fees because I was taking care of my fees myself. And so I think at the early start of the year, I realized that school needed an anthem. So I wrote an anthem for the school. And I asked for 4-year scholarship. And so my university was 4-year scholarship.
Okay.
Was through my music. Over the years, if you listen to my music, okay, you see I was telling you about the NGO music I do for the, I do it for, I mean, you can look out for Meg Foundation. I'm one of their songwriters.
Okay.
Meg Foundation is a multi-billion-dollar corporation. And their foundation is a pharmaceutical, they're into medicine. But their foundation, it's all over Africa, helping, doing humanitarian. I write songs for them.
Okay.
I look at the Black Stars. The easiest thing I can do is to write a song for Black Stars that can motivate the players. Do you understand? I mean, I think that
Now $100,000.
yes,
That's a lot of money.
it's not. It's chicken change.
Chicken change.
Yes.
Wow.
It's chicken change.
Okay.
Yes, and people like Black Stars, that's chicken change for Black Stars.
Matters.
It's the client I'm talking to.
Okay.
Client now may catch and say, listen, I can do this thing for you now.
But I can't get my contact one.
Oh no, sir, a public conversation is there. May I said it on Instagram. So I'm would say when you before being in Ghana for.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm not insulting anybody.
Okay.
It's not offensive. I'm saying that I have this capacity, I can do it. If you feel like it's necessary, do you understand? Even I win, I can do tweaks on I win and make it a Black Star song. Too many things.
100,000 US.
It's chicken change.
Was it more
Why not? Why not? Why not?
No, what's my now 14th year call a demonstration and to be an
demonstration way.
Oh, Ghana, you call demonstration against GFA. Your new big sports personalities.
Oh, man, I'm for things.
Okay, but
I like to be on the positive. I think that demonstration will be a person corner. Is good. It's part of our democracy. It's okay. but I don't like to be part of demonstrations.
Okay.
I like to be part of conversations.
Okay.
That we can negotiate a hold plaques near the end. Fine, but we not.
Okay. Yeah, see. Now, before I was sorry, don't know. Now, it has a Ghana flag, Nanto. The moon Ghana flag, oh, baby.
Oh, just. Oh, I mean, Ghana. They say Ghana. Yeah. You're representing Ghana. We are for Ghana. We you know, we've only made 2000 from 2010 to like 2015. All my friends Cwesi free Ghana. Cwesi free Ghana. Cwesi free Ghana. All that time, I felt a calling on me to be in Ghana. You know, and my presence here has contributed a lot to our development.
Last way to be a pede.
Oh, new song is out. Your Love, and it's in English. You know, sometimes our people like songs in Chi and. And yet, Brofo Yumon Mitro, Asafu Yeho, Yesu, ye madam. Before I was yes, Rometro, before I was sort of the pedachum, your love and chorus, no. Okay. For me. Okay. Oh, great is your love for Mommy Testo voice. Oh, great is your love. 1, 2. Oh, let's go.
Great is your love.
Let's go. What's the intro? Oh, 1, 2. Oh.
Mama Daka feel bad for I say Cwesi Oteng new song no say your love. God bless you. What do? Into no woman was on stream on all platforms and from na onye kakra ngun kotokum anyum ye Ghana ha onye easy into no before dia pa woman was na wompia ni tuna man into no Cwesi Oteng that's baby
I appreciate.
Oh,
I like it.
You can tell your love.
Yeah. Oh, great is your love for me. Oh, great is your love for me. February is the best song to sing. God's love is the surest love for you. Sure. Surest love for all Ghanaians.
Mama Crown is in your fancy door. Mama, I'm producer say, what be Kofi Ampejo, mo producer Damara, no Obed. No, ni ama belongs a producer Papa out na ha. Wajile gwa. Wa so ejimba ni me nyami show bebre. Ye kete Cwesi Oteng your love.